Are you tired of wondering whether your deodorant is safe for daily use? Well, today we're diving into the captivating world of natural deodorants and uncovering the truth behind the hype. Get ready to make an informed choice while we're on this exciting journey. Welcome to Do Remedy, Do Cure, where you can subscribe for tips to help you with your general health and well-being. And make sure to keep watching all the way through, because we'll be sharing some deodorant recipes that you can make at home. We'll also be sharing some surprising insight about conventional deodorants. And just a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. It is in no way meant to be an alternative to medical advice. Today, we're tackling the question on many people's minds: is natural deodorant just a marketing hype? With so many conflicting opinions out there, it's no wonder the confusion lingers. But fret not, my friends. We're here to shed light on this hot topic and separate fact from fiction. Let's start by understanding the allure of natural deodorants and how they differ from their conventional counterparts. Unlike conventional deodorants that often aim to block sweat using ingredients like aluminum, parabens, and artificial fragrances, natural deodorants take an alternative approach. They primarily concentrate on neutralizing odor, harnessing the power of natural ingredients like baking soda, essential oils, mineral salts, and plant extracts. While this can be highly effective for individuals with average sweat production, it's important to manage your expectations if you're someone who tends to sweat a lot. Now you might be wondering, but are they effective? Well, the effectiveness of natural deodorants can be affected by various factors that differ from person to person. It's truly a personalized experience. While some individuals have incredible success with natural deodorants and absolutely swear by them, others may find the results less than satisfying. First and foremost, let's talk about body chemistry. Each person's unique body chemistry impacts how they respond to natural deodorants. Factors such as pH level of your skin, the types and amounts of bacteria present on your skin, and even your hormonal balance can all play a role in how well a natural deodorant works for you. What you eat and what foods and aromas you're exposed to can also impact body odor. For instance, spicy peppers, horseradish, wasabi, and mustards are all foods that can make you sweat. Garlic, onions, and vinegar can also be absorbed into the body, changing odor and sweat. Understanding your body's individual chemistry is essential in finding the right match. Your level of activity is another thing to take into account. The demands on your natural deodorant will differ from those of someone who is more sedentary, if you have an active lifestyle and partake in vigorous exercise or physical activity. Physical exercise causes an increase in sweat production, so natural deodorants may have to work harder to keep you smelling fresh and feeling good. It's crucial to choose a natural deodorant with higher sweat-absorbing capabilities or that's especially made for people who are active. The formulation and particular brand you select might also affect how effective natural deodorants are. Not all natural deodorants work the same way, and different manufacturers may combine components or employ different methods to eliminate odor. Others may place more emphasis on absorbing moisture, while some may concentrate on employing antibacterial treatments. You can discover which formulation and brand works best for your body chemistry and way of life by experimenting with various brands. The good news is that there are many ways to make natural deodorant as effective as possible. Before switching, think about detoxing your underarms first. This entails temporarily stopping the use of all deodorants for a few days so that your body can adjust and get rid of any toxins that have accumulated. It may also be a good idea to be mindful and considerate of those who might be around you during this experimental phase too. I mean, how many times have you been in a close, tight space on a hot day around someone with a strong and less than pleasing underarm smell? We've all been there, right? Second, make sure the natural deodorant you select is appropriate for your needs by taking formulation, fragrance, and application method into account. Then exercise patience. Your body may need some time to adjust to the new product. Making your own homemade deodorant can also be a thrilling and satisfying choice. It not only allows for personalization to suit your preferences, but it also gives you control over the substances you apply to your skin. Let's look at 5 wonderful, easy to make, and highly effective DIY deodorant recipes. 1. The coconut oil and baking soda method is a tried and true option for homemade deodorant. Simply combine 1/4 a cup of baking soda, 1/4 a cup of cornstarch or arrowroot powder, 1/4 a cup of coconut oil, solid at room temperature, and 1/4 a cup of coconut oil until thoroughly blended. If desired, add a few drops of your preferred essential oil for aroma. Using this formula will help you feel fresh all day long by absorbing moisture and eliminating odor. 2. Shea butter and beeswax recipe. For those who prefer a somewhat harder deodorant, this shea butter and beeswax mixture is a fantastic choice. Melt 2 teaspoons of beeswax pellets and 2 tablespoons of shea butter into a double boiler. After the butter is melted, take it off the fire and add 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 3 tablespoons of arrowroot powder, and a few drops of fragrant essential oil. Place the mixture in a small jar or an empty deodorant container to solidify. Shea butter and beeswax works together to provide a smooth texture and long-lasting odor protection. 3. Tea tree oil and witch hazel recipe. If you're looking for a cooling and antibacterial deodorant solution, try this tea tree oil and witch hazel combination. 1/4 a cup of witch hazel and 1/4 a cup of distilled water should be combined in a spray container. Tea tree oil, which has natural antibacterial characteristics, should be added in 10 to 15 drops. Spray across your underarms for a cooling, filling, and odor-fighting effect. Shake well before each use. For individuals who like a spray-on deodorant, this formula is simple to prepare and ideal. 4. Magnesium oil and aloe vera recipe. The advantages of magnesium oil and aloe vera gel are combined in this mix to create a calming and odor-fighting deodorant. Mix 1/4 a cup of magnesium oil and 1/4 a cup of aloe vera gel thoroughly in a small basin, and add 1 tablespoon of heated coconut oil, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch or arrowroot powder, and a few drops of your favorite essential oils. Then add the mixture to a container after giving it a good stir. For people with sensitive underarms, this recipe is kind to the skin. 5. Bentonite clay and activated charcoal recipe. Try this recipe for a DIY deodorant that is cleansing and odor absorbing. Combine 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, 2 teaspoons of bentonite clay, 1 tablespoon of powdered activated charcoal, and a few drops of fragrant essential oil in a basin. Stir thoroughly until the mixture is uniformly smooth. Activated charcoal and bentonite clay work together to remove pollutants and poisons while minimizing odor. For simple application, keep it in a jar or in an empty deodorant container. Remember to use a small amount on freshly cleaned underarms and to keep your homemade deodorant in a cool location. Be patient while your body adjusts to the change from store-bought to homemade deodorant throughout the transition phase. With these customizable and effective recipes, you can enjoy the benefits of natural homemade deodorant tailored to your specific needs and preferences. Now let's talk about conventional deodorants, which have been a staple in our daily hygiene routines for decades, and for good reason. Even while there is still some controversy over the safety of some of the compounds used in conventional deodorants, it is crucial to realize that many of these products go through stringent testing and follow regulations to guarantee their safety. Let's examine some convincing arguments for the safety of using conventional deodorants. 1. Regulatory testing and standards. Governmental organizations like the Food and Drug Administration have tight laws governing conventional deodorants. These laws guarantee that the components used in deodorants adhere to strict safety requirements. Conventional deodorants are thoroughly tested for effectiveness and safety before they're placed on store shelves. To make sure the product is safe for consumers, this testing includes investigations into skin irritability, allergic reactions, and other potential adverse effects. 2. Ingredient safety. While some compounds in conventional deodorants have drawn criticism, it's important to remember that the bulk of these ingredients have undergone comprehensive testing and have been confirmed to be safe for use at amounts present in deodorant products. When used as instructed, ingredients like aluminum salts, which are frequently included in antiperspirants, have undergone significant testing and are regarded as safe. It's important to note that various people may have different sensitivities to certain chemicals, so it's important to be aware of your personal reactions and seek medical advice as necessary. 3. Consumer trust and long-time use. Traditional deodorants have been used for decades by millions of individuals without causing any serious side effects. There is some assurance in their safety given their lengthy history of usage and the absence of widespread reports of major health issues. Many people use traditional deodorants as part of their daily practice and report that they have effective odor control and sweat reduction. 4. Variety of formulas. Conventional deodorants have a wide range of formulas to meet a variety of purposes, which is one of its advantages. Conventional deodorants provide options for a variety of preferences and lifestyles, whether you like solid stick, roll-on, gel, or spray. Additionally, various conventional deodorants are specifically formulated for sensitive skin, providing options for individuals with delicate underarm skin or allergies. 5. Additional advantages. In addition to odor control, conventional deodorants frequently provide moisturizing qualities, skin conditioning components, and scent alternatives. To keep the underarm area hydrated, many conventional deodorants contain moisturizers like aloe vera or shea butter. In order to increase their effectiveness, several products also include antimicrobial agents that prevent the formulation of odor-causing bacteria. Consulting a dermatologist or other healthcare provider might offer individualized advice if you have particular questions about certain ingredients or are having negative reactions. Ultimately, consumers have dependable options for everyday odor control and freshness thanks to the safety and efficacy of conventional deodorants, as well as the thorough testing and regulatory scrutiny. If you're itching with curiosity about natural deodorant, buckle up and give it a whirl. It's time to take control of your own underarm research. Prepare to experiment, look into different products, and pay attention to what your body responds to. Keep in mind that not everything that makes one individual smell like a field of daisies will have the same impact on you. So let's start out our search for the ideal deodorant that will keep you feeling confident, cheerful, and fresh all day long. Prepare to sniff out your distinctive scent and enjoy the delicious aroma of achievement. That's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed our deep dive into the world of natural deodorant and you would like some help with your holistic well-being, make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos. As always, stay fresh, stay fabulous, and I'll catch you in the next video.